We've all got a teacher's kit, right? Things that we buy, things that we make, things that we keep through the years. Well, today I want to show you a few of my favorite things that I've used in the classroom for many years. And a couple of them I'd highly recommend. And this is the first one. My director's clapperboard. This has been an absolutely fantastic investment if you think that about $2 is an investment. Yeah? Think about the uses. Number one, it's loads of fun. The kids love it. They get excited. You can create a movie set. Now, the vocabulary action and cut, it's a bit like, okay, everybody knows it. So this is brilliant for role plays. It's brilliant to start them. It's brilliant to stop them. You can do the comedy cut, and they start laughing. One of the kids wants to be the director. I mean, fantastic. Not only is it good for role plays in the classroom, it's also good for classroom management, Cut, stop, they know what it means. And I found it invaluable for my online classes. Yeah, again, using action and cut rather than the one thing I see a lot of is, okay, I say this and you say that. Can you say this? Can you do that? Oh, just use your clapperboard. Brilliant thing. I highly recommend it. Get down to the local store. These stores that sell all the plastic stuff, they're bound to have one, or just order one online. So, director's clapperboard, love it. The next one, almost as good as my clapperboard, is my mini whiteboard, or iPad, as I like to say. Oh, batteries finished. Now, this thing, just use your imagination. All of the things you can use it for. But my favourite game is a game called Hesitation, yeah? Let's just say you've been teaching numbers and money. You've been teaching the vocabulary, they're getting good at it, and you want to play a game to test the concept and see if they've got it. So first of all, you pick two students, yeah? And in a very comedic and dramatic way, you write the number on the board. Okay, all right? So you write the number, two students sitting in front of you. Now the idea of the game is they have to read the number perfectly with no hesitation, no stopping, no or no or in Thailand, no alaiwa. That's like, what? So you show the number to the first student and they have to read it perfectly. Now, not only is this fun and engaging, it also forces perfection. So the students have to get it right. And I'm absolutely brutal. If there's any hesitation, if there's any incorrect pronunciation or the word's not correct, it goes to the next student. And then back again, and then back again, and then back again. And eventually someone gets it perfect because every time they make a mistake, they're hearing it and they're correcting it. Yeah? I've had so much fun with this. And, you can have numbers up in the millions. And all the other students, teacher, let me have a go. I want to try. Mini whiteboard for numbers, for words, just so much you can do with it. All right. Just another one I was thinking of. I blew the dust off these earlier. I found them in my box. And it's just a set of numbers, yeah? I do love my numbers. And as you go through the numbers, you can see they're all it's like 1 to 13. And a game I used to love to play, higher or lower, yeah? Again, it can be teams, it can be one-on-one, but the fun I had. Higher, lower, and you can even make them say a sentence. 7, it's lower. Yeah, say the number and say the sentence. You can actually get them speaking little sentences. But higher or lower, brilliant game. I know it's a bit of a throwaway game, but it's practicing numbers. Get them to say the number, get them to use the word higher, lower, or 7 is lower than a 3, you know, stuff like that, but brilliant. So there's 3 things. 2, the director's clapperboard and the whiteboard, or the iPad as I call it, and a set of numbers. Again, the numbers, you can actually put them on the board and create numbers too. So loads of potential. Let me know in the comments what your favourite props are. I'd love to know. In the meantime, please check the bio, check the comments, because in my website, or my shop, I've created some pretty cool teaching materials, plug and play PowerPoint presentations. You can get 21 presentations that I've built over many years, and they've been perfected right up to now. 21 of them for just $39, including a free copy of my ebook, The Lesson Flow. And the lesson flow connects to the presentations. I also do personal coaching. If you're looking for inspiration, you're looking for a job, drop me a comment, book a session. It's all there in my shop. Thanks for listening. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Boom!